It's family dive day, finally. When I was researching dive shops to go scuba diving with in Maui, I stumbled upon Destination Diving, which offered one-on-one and personalized shore dives on Maui. I wanted to surprise Chris with a try dive on the same day that I went diving, and Michelle was super keen and quick to help us organize a family dive day. I met her at Mala Ramp around 6:30 in the morning, and we geared up and descended into the water really quickly. Mala Ramp is an extremely popular dive in Maui, but it met every single one of my expectations. The water was perfect, it's clear, and there was an abundance of fish life. The shallow dive gave us plenty of time to explore and swim with the sharks and the turtles. And we got there early enough in the morning that we were the only 2 people in the water. I just finished my first dive at Mala Ramp, or Mala Warf. It was absolutely stunning. I saw octopus, frogfish, flounder, about 10 sharks, probably like 50 turtles. It was amazing. And now we're heading over to Airport Beach, and Chris is going to do his first open water try dive because I'm trying to convince him that it's definitely worth it and he should do his open water certification. But Chris, how do you feel? He's not excited at all. Okay, so he's gonna do one more dive and then I'm gonna do a dive. It's only 8 a.m. Our first dive started at 6:45. So we'll be done here by noon. Chris is gonna love it.
at some shallow reef right in front of, I think this is the Marriott. This beach is absolutely stunning. Airport beach, all white sand, nice clear water. Also found my first octopus on that last dive. A little baby dug up into a hole. Absolutely stunning. Now Chris is going for his try dive. Bodhi and I are gonna go snorkeling, see if we can spot him, but we're just gonna enjoy a little bit of time on the beach.
Michelle gave me and Bodhi very strict instructions just to leave Chris alone and let him enjoy his dive. So I'll put a couple of pictures here. Chris liked it. He did. He said he'll do his open water. But for me, it was just really good to get him in, having him go scuba diving in the actual ocean with things instead of in a swimming pool. But Michelle was absolutely phenomenal. So I did one more dive with Michelle, a night dive at the same airport beach, but my camera froze about 30 seconds in, so I didn't really get any footage of it. So if you're in Maui and you're looking for an experience diving that's not just like a conveyor belt of 20 people going with 2 dive masters, definitely give Michelle a go at Destination Diving. I'll link her information below. I had an absolutely phenomenal time. I think one of the best things was, even though these dives were quite shallow, I felt extremely safe because it was a one-on-one experience and I didn't need to worry about anything happening with some of the other divers or any emergency. I felt like Michelle had her eyes on me the whole time, and it was just a brilliant, calm, relaxing, beautiful experience. Michelle, thank you so much for everything. We had such a brilliant day. Definitely great memories. Mala Warf will forever stay in my heart. I can't wait to come back to Maui. I can't wait to dive with you again, and we'll see you soon, hopefully.